Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe. Today I have a good one for you guys. I'm making this amazing smothered chicken recipe. If you would like to see it, just keep on watching. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To get started, here's what you need. I have chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, Italian seasoning. We have some Creole seasoning, as well as some all-purpose flour. And also you will need celery. Make sure they finely dice, although mine were a little too big. Green bell peppers, and of course the chicken. I'm using bone-in and boneless thighs with 3 cups of water, onion, and of course you can replace the water for chicken broth. First thing I'll be doing is season my chicken. I am using the Creole seasoning to season the chicken. To a saucepan, I am going to be adding in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, not too much because there is a lot of fat on the chicken still. I am going to sear my chicken for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. We're not cooking it, we just want to give it a nice color. Once one side is nice and golden brown, just flip it over and sear the other side. Now you're going to remove your chicken, set them aside. It's time for us to saute our vegetables. I am going to be adding in the celery and as well as the onion and the green bell peppers. We're going to saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and soft. Although I didn't show you guys this ingredients in the beginning, it will be in the description box for you guys. I'm using 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to cook that until it's nice and fragrant. Then we can add in our flour. Now I'm going to be adding in the flour. We're going to cook the flour for about 1 to 2 minutes because you do want to cook the raw flour taste. So give that a nice toss here and there. Cook it. Once you're done, you're going to be adding in your water. Like I said, you can use broth, chicken broth for this recipe. I do have another recipe that I use chicken broth. Of course, the flavor is through the roof with the chicken broth, but I didn't have any, so I'm using water. Regardless, it's still going to taste amazing. So now it's looking kind of weird, but don't worry. Now we're going to be adding in the chicken right on top, just like so. Once you're done adding your chicken, you're going to add in your seasoning. Just pour all of it in there, guys. Do not hold back because you want this to be as flavorful as possible. So we're going to add all that seasoning in, and then you're going to cover this and let it simmer on medium low, okay, medium low heat for about 40 to 50 minutes until your chicken is literally falling apart. Okay, so be sure to just let it simmer. And basically this is what it looks like. Y'all see how super tender this chicken is. The flavor in this chicken is to die for, and the gravy is nice and thick and flavorful as well. I really truly hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for trying out this recipe for you guys. I do have another recipe very similar to this one. I will leave it below as well for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.